Hello guys, good morning guys. Today is Friday morning and we are here to maintain this machine. This connect capacitor as well machine that was deposited on the IceMan-Tech yesterday. So what we are here to do is to maintain the machine. Make sure the machine is start working so that the investor can start earning his daily and his weekly profits. So it will take us approximately 1 week to 2 weeks to complete the maintenance of this machine because we are going to work on the piping system, flush the system, use the compressors, also do the gas before they start working. So it will take us approximately 1 week to 2 weeks to complete the maintenance work before the machine owner start receiving his weekly income. So as you all know, IceMan-Tech we have to have machine fabrication, hardware machine fabrication, we have to maintenance, we are into the business too, and we also offer investment services to those that are interested to invest in the business, either through our joint business partnership or our shared investment partnership. Whichever way you're interested on, IceMan-Tech we are here to offer you that service. Welcome to IceMan-Tech.